Hi everyone, we are Uncle DiDi. We completed our renovation for the shop and we are getting ready for SFA inspection. You may request for the inspection at least 1 week in advance via email to SFA's appointed case manager or log on to SFA's website under feedback. It is best to work closely with the case manager to ensure that everything is complied with. We received a reply email stating the date of the inspection and informing us that an officer will call us a day before the inspection to advise on the time. Make sure your physical equipments are there. For us, it is our popcorn machine and cotton candy machine. Make sure to have a thorough cleanup and remove all unwanted items, and not forgetting to get the pest control done. You should also get ready any outstanding documents such as basic food hygiene certification for the food handlers. Finally, it is the day of our inspection. The officer came and inspected and we got our license approved. See you in our next video.